Safari on iOS might seem like a very simple app that helps you browse the web, but there are actually a lot of tips and tricks out there that can help you take your Safari game to the next level. And so we're going to show you 7 tips and tricks for Safari that you need to know. If you're drowning in a sea of tabs and you just want to get rid of them all at once rather than closing each one individually, you can actually do so in 2 very easy ways. If you're in the tab view, simply press and hold on Done to close all tabs, or you can press and hold on the tab icon too. Was closing all of the tabs a bad idea? Really wish you could just get one of those back? Well, you can by simply holding down on the plus icon to bring up a list of all of your recently closed tabs. If you're trying to find a very specific tab in your tab collection and you don't feel like scrolling through them all, you can actually search through tabs by simply scrolling all the way to the top and pulling down to reveal the search bar. Type in a keyword and you'll see all of your tabs open that pertain to that specific word. Tip 4 will take things one step further. You search for your keyword, and so for the sake of drama, let's say you have tons of tabs open with that specific keyword, and you just want to get rid of all of those at one time. Simply press and hold on cancel to close all of those tabs. Did you know that you can also search for specific words on the web page that you're viewing? You can press the share icon and select find on page, or you can just use the search bar at the top, type in the word that you're looking for, and then scroll down to the bottom where it says on this page. Think of this as Command F on your Mac for iOS. Have an embarrassing tab open on your home computer and don't want anyone to see it? Well, if you're away from your computer, you can actually just close it remotely in Safari by simply pressing the tab icon, scrolling down to the other devices list, and then swiping from right to left on that tab or window that you want to close and pressing delete. The window will close instantly, saving you from any embarrassing moments or explanations. Finally, some of you might already know this, but it's something I've often forgot about. But if you started reading an interesting article at home or maybe on your commute to work, but you didn't get a chance to finish it and you want to do so right on your Mac, simply head to your dock and look for the Safari icon with a little phone attached to it and click it to open up the article from your phone on your Mac.